When I was a kid, I always wanted to be a part of a PlayStation ad. So one fine day, I just woke up and thought, why even wait longer when today can be the day?
All you can hear is the wind and trees rustling. There is hope that one fine day we will find joy in our existence again. This is what it feels like to be fueled with adrenaline. Once you start, there's no stopping it. Excitement, thrill, and even emotions you have never felt before. Be a part of it. Be one. Hey man, how's it going? Where am I? Where was I? What's happening to me? Whatever it is, I surely like it.
PlayStation